I love it so much. Hey guys, it's Maddie. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to be doing an updated VeryDice haul. Now if you don't know what VeryDice is, let me explain because it is bomb. It is literally just an app you download on your phone. It's free. Playing the game is free. You roll dice, you win tickets, you buy stuff through Amazon. It's legit. I thought it was sketchy when I first started using it, but I've now ordered 10 things. I have never paid for anything. It is all from winning tickets, and I have a whole bunch of stuff to show you guys. So download VeryDice. This is not sponsored. This is not an ad. They don't know I'm making this. I wish, because a lot of you have signed up using my code, which is really, really awesome. It helps me out a lot. I really appreciate it. I've been able to get some goodies I've needed because I was able to get enough tickets because you guys use my code. So please use my friend code when you sign up. It gets me some tickets, it gets me some bonuses, and then you can have all your friends and family use your friend code for your account and you'll get bonus rolls and everything like that. So literally it's just an app you download on your phone. Every day you can spin the wheel to get some rolls, to get tickets, and then you can redeem tickets for gift cards. There's all different kinds of gift cards, all different stuff for all different ticket prices. Like it goes really high but really low, and it's all stuff from Amazon. So when you order it and it comes in the mail, it comes as if it's an Amazon gift. Like you get one of those gift receipts that says, "Thank you for playing VeryDice, Maddie," and then it said like, it's literally like a generic Amazon thing. So it's really, really cool. I love it. Like I said, totally not a scam, and I'm totally not sponsored. I just wanted to share with you guys. You also can enter raffles. I believe you get like 6 or so free raffles you can enter a day for gift cards and other, like, what is this? There's a tournament going on right now on the app. You can win laptops and Fire Sticks and phones and like an Instapot, and there was like a PS4, like all kinds of crazy cool stuff. And then if you see something on Amazon you've been wanting, search the name. Like search as many different ideas of the name that you can, and you'll probably find it on VeryDice. It's not just going to come up by typing in like purse, black purse. I use all different kinds of words to find stuff that I found on Amazon to find on VeryDice and redeem tickets for. So this is the main screen where you go to roll, and I have some rolls here ready to go. You can change how you want to roll the dice. So if you have lots of rolls, you can roll like 10 times and then you'll get 10 times the points and you'll go through your rolls faster. So I only have 12 right now, but we're going to go ahead and do the 5. There's also an auto roll option if you have lots of rolls, and you just press roll. Ooh, focus please. And there you go. And then you over here you have like your doubles count, where if you get doubles and you get one of each, you'll get like a really high jackpot depending on the amount you have here. Like if you're doing it by 1, it's less. If you're doing it by 10, you get way more because it's 10 times. Does that make sense? So you just roll and you get tickets. It's literally so easy and totally free. Like how simple is that? This is my friend code. I would super appreciate you guys using it. It totally helps me out, and then you can have all your friends use your friend code, and not only will you get tickets when they sign up, but you get royalties. So you'll get a percentage of their tickets. Like they don't get tickets taken away from them, but you'll get extra tickets because you helped them sign up. So share this with everybody. Sign up using my code. I'd really appreciate it because you get 30 rolls for each person you get to sign up using your code. 360448. Please use my code. If you have VeryDice and you have not entered a friend code ever, you can still enter one, and I'd really appreciate it if y'all use mine. Thank you so much. It's really cool. I have 2 other videos I've talked about this before. I'll link them below. But now I have so many things I've won through VeryDice, I wanted to show you guys. You don't pay for shipping or anything. It's awesome. I highly recommend. So let me show you the things I've gotten. Also put my friend code down below in the description box. I'd really appreciate it if you would sign up using my friend code. It helps me out. You get the same amount of rolls when you sign up no matter what. It used to be different, but now it's the same. It just helps the person out that you're using the friend code for. But if you use mine, I'd really appreciate it. If you've never used a friend code, you can still use mine and add it to your account, and it will help me out. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys would do that. So let me show you the stuff. The first item I ever ordered, I can't show you, it's plugged into my TV, is an Amazon Fire Stick. I don't even know where the remote is. It also has the Alexa button thing on it, which I never use, but I love my Amazon Fire Stick. It is so awesome. I can watch Netflix and Hulu and YouTube and everything on it. It's great. Highly recommend it. It's something you can buy through the app. The prices do change every now and then. Sometimes things will be sold out, sometimes they'll come back, so just wait if there's something you really want. But that's the first thing I ever got, and it was totally worth it. Next thing I got was definitely a low ticket item. I think this was only like 6,000 tickets, which is fairly low. The more it costs on Amazon, obviously the more it's going to cost in tickets. So I think this comes out to about $6 on Amazon. So it was $6, 6,000 tickets, if that makes sense. Usually it's kind of the same type of thing. This is an adult coloring book called Make Life Your Bitch. And it's just got lots of explicit things in it. It's funny. They're quotes. I like them. I haven't used this in a while actually, but where's the one I did do? It literally says happy coloring. Like, I love it so much. I think it's so funny. I want to like cut these out and frame them when I'm done coloring them. Where's the one? Oh, this one. It says work hard, dream big. And I think it's just funny and like, I don't know. I'm sorry, I cuss, but I think this is cute. I got this t-shirt through them. This is by, I don't know who. It's just a generic shirt that was printed. It's pink, which I don't know why I got in pink, but it says blending is my cardio, and it has makeup brushes. Like, how freaking cute. It's super wrinkled, so I need to iron it, but blending is my cardio. So true. Love this. So I got that. It was probably like, I want to say 14,000 tickets, like not too crazy. And if you are having a lot of people use your friend code, you'll build up tickets really fast, especially when you do the multiples roll. Check out the app. It's really easy to get the hang of. I actually have this tapestry blanket thing I got. I think this was like 30,000 tickets or something. And sorry, it's hard to see, but it's a big giant Alice in Wonderland tapestry blanket throw thing with fringes on the sides. And I mean, it's not like a soft cozy blanket, so I usually just keep it on the chair in my living room because it's really cute and cool, but you can also hang this. There's all kinds of regular tapestries and stuff on there. But this was really cool. I love Disney, so. This is one of my more recent grabs. I love the Monk aromatherapy diffusers. If you don't know what Monk is, they're all natural essential oil, like breathing diffusers. It's not a vape, it's just essential oils, but I love the one in Zen, and I've used it quite a few times, and I found it on VeryDice, so I didn't have to actually pay money for it, and I love these. If you want a video all about Monks, they have really helped me. They're really cool. Let me know, and I will find it for you. But I did have to search a lot of different keywords to actually find this on VeryDice, and then I did, and I just favorited it and bought it when I had enough tickets. I think it was like 20,000. I have a little baby ringlet I got for probably like 6,000 or so. It doesn't get very bright. There's like 3 different settings, but unfortunately it's not super bright. It's one of the ones you can clip onto your phone, but it just takes batteries. I just wish it was brighter, so oh well. Couple more recent grabs from VeryDice, and then I'll show my best like buy off of that app ever. So I got one of these little bendy tripods. This is not a name brand one, so it wasn't very expensive in ticket land, but it's a bendy tripod you can tie onto stuff. It came with a little phone holder I have somewhere, and my favorite part, the little Bluetooth remote. So this is how I take pictures of myself by myself, and I can hook up my phone to this, tie it on anything, set it on anything to take pictures for Instagram. This little Bluetooth remote comes in super handy. I love this, especially when you're an Instagrammer like me. And then this is a backpack that I got. I think this is like $30 something usually on Amazon. This is a faux leather backpack. It's black with gold hardware. There's a ton of pockets, lots of room. There's a pocket here. This is a pocket. There's a secret pocket on the back, adjustable straps and everything, and you can make it smaller or bigger. You know, like zip it up and it shrinks it down a little bit. I bought this off the app for Disney World, and I used it the first day in Disney, but it was just a little, like, it's fashionable, but it was a little trickier to use. Like, I ended up using my other backpack the other 2 days because this was just kind of clunky and it's hard to get stuff in and out of it. But just for a generic, cute, stylish backpack, this is definitely nice. I also forgot to mention I got these 3 adorable shelves for about 20 or 30,000 tickets for the set of 3. I'm not sure. I have these in my living room. I really like them. It's a very light wood with the little metal edges. They're so super cute. One of my favorites for sure. And the last thing that I love very dearly is this guy. So I got this sometime last year through the app. I think it was like 70,000 tickets or something. I was saving up for it. And this is a ring light. This is by the Newer brand. It did come in a nice little case that zips up. I have it in the top of my closet so I can store it all. Besides the tripod, I can store the light and everything in it for traveling. And it's a legit ring light. It plugs in. It's got a whole ass stand. It's adjustable. I put the filter cover on it. If I plug it in, you can adjust like how bright the light gets, and it gets crazy bright, like blind you bright. So I usually keep it on the lowest setting. I use this for filming a lot of my videos. It has come in super, super handy. So this is definitely my favorite buy off of VeryDice. I love it so much. And this is a good one. This is good quality. I think it's a 13-inch Newer ring light. But yeah, that's everything I've gotten off VeryDice. I have quite a few tickets saved up right now. I don't know if I'm going to do a gift card or what I'm going to get, or just keep saving. You can get gift cards to restaurants, to stores, to airlines and movie theaters. There's all kinds of really cool stuff. I highly recommend VeryDice. Like I said, they don't know I'm making this. I just want to help you guys out. Please use my friend code. It is down in the description box below. I love you guys so much, and let me know how you're liking VeryDice and if it works for you. It is on Android and iPhone. Love you guys, and you'll see me very soon. Bye!